Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, it was a very volatile night right across the board as we saw the US dollar, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, advance about 50 or 60 points. This has put significant down pressure on some markets. Now, looking at the Australian dollar, the market has plummeted over 1% and now reaches the bull camp, which is around 76.60. Trading around this level currently, the market is still poised for a possible down test. Therefore, could see a further stretch to this slide and look towards 75, 80, 90. That may, as you can see from this blue line, draw some bullish correction. So do be on your guard. Nevertheless, it is seen from the technical point that the bears have still got the upper hand. Looking ahead, we've still got US Fed Chairman Jerome Powell to speak later, which is at 9 p.m. I believe tonight Sydney time, and also we have the non-farm payrolls, which is expecting a number around 645,000, a much improved number from the previous of 266,000. The unemployment is looking to drop from 6.1 to 5.9. Now, if some of the numbers that we've seen overnight are inspiring a slightly stronger US dollar, then a recovery is picking up very, very quickly and therefore could see some talk from the Fed that we may be seeing a little bit more of a hawkish central bank than we've seen recently of a dovish. That means it could see a firmer US dollar. With the euros crushing through this level of 121.25, which is where the trend was, now exposes a region of 119.90 and reassess from there. In light of the move to the dollar, the outlook for dollar yen has actually stretched up just a little bit beyond 110.10. Not the best of breaks that support a bull case, but nevertheless we could see a stretch up to 110.65 before the turnaround. A little bit of divergence here is also in merit for a potential failed challenge to the upside. And therefore I do expect to see a pullback to 109.45 once we've seen that upside move. The pattern for sterling has posted 2 outside range days, confirming the first one and waiting for the second confirmation, which we should see maybe if we see a move or close under 140.70. Nevertheless, from the 2 bearish candles, I do anticipate, along with the RSI weakening and the MACD strengthening to the bear case, that we are looking to 140.15.25, and only a break from there would see a further exposure to around 139.50.90. Nevertheless, the technical pattern is coming back to a bear case, and therefore should see sterling yen take out this trend line in terms of a short period of a downslide that I expect to around 153.50 to the bear case. Gold plummeted after taking out the 1,888 level, confirming the outside range day, and reaches its first target, which is 1,860. It is still viewed that further weakness could come back into play into tonight if the dollar does strengthen and see gold slip towards a region of 1,000, that is 836 to 43, which is what the call is since the break of 1,888. A little bit of a hesitancy to the upside, but at present I still call in oil to $71 a barrel and reassess from there. The support at present is a little bit close to around 67.5, but nevertheless the trend is still relatively firm, and also the market is looking for the MACD supporting the case. So I do feel that the hesitation overnight is possibly going to be just shrugged off and then see the market move on higher. So as I mentioned, all eyes on Fed Powell tonight and also on non-farm payrolls numbers, and let's see if the US dollar can continue its rise. It's currently trading around 90.5. We could be looking up to about 91 to 92 if the pattern continues. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day and a great start to the new weekend.